Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Tyre Spin in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my image over here. So press Command J or Control J to duplicate it. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and then select Spin Blur. Over here, left click in the middle and hold and then drag it somewhere here. Left click at the top and then drag it up, so something like this is okay. Let's do the same thing for the right side, so let's go with something like this. Nice. So now let me align it for this. Okay for me. Now set the blur angle to, let's go with the value of 20, and then check the path blur, open it, and left click here the arrow and then place the arrow down here. Left click this side and then place it at the top, and then left click in the middle and push it to the right side. So let's go with something like this, and when you're okay with it, just select the OK. Now what we do is let's add a layer mask here. Press Command I or Control I to invert the selection. Select your brush tool over here. Make sure that the foreground color is set to white, and the color code for white is 6Fs, and click on OK. So let me increase the size of my brush, and then I'll gently paint over the areas that I want the blur to show. So I'll gently paint over this side for the blur. Okay, nice. Okay guys, this is how to easily make a Tyre Spin in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.